Look kind of puffy. You see that? What I'm doing is I'm pulling the hair from this side, right, to the middle of the dread. Man, I feel like I'm Mexican right now, bro. You feel me? I be sipping on 1800. That shit got me lit, man. Something's gone though. Might go ahead and get another one. Man, we're lit. Anyway, guys, so welcome to my channel, man. Listen, Locs. You feel me? I'm back in the channel, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, I've been gone for a minute. But anyway, guys, this new video is gonna be about how to tie your dread. You see how this one right here look kind of puffy? You see that? I'm gonna teach you how to fix that problem. First of all, you have to have your crochet needle. I have people ask me right down in the comments, like, why you always use the one who's double. Me personally, this is the one that I like. This is the one that I feel like comfortable with, so why not use it? And the size is 0.5, the double. I'm gonna leave the link on the description. All right, so look, man, pay attention to what I'm gonna do. You see how this dress is kind of puffy, like it's not tight? I'm gonna show you how to fix that right now. Man, don't go nowhere. You feel me? We on. So look, first of all, what you gotta do is you gotta grab the hair or the dread, like I always tell you guys. You grab it, you feel me? Some people do it like that, some people even hold it like that. It's dangerous hell. I don't do it. I never did it. So I normally hold it like that with 2 fingers, then 2 or 3, doesn't matter. So I normally get 3 like that, right? And I use my crochet like I always tell you, facing out. If you see the hook right there, like the hook is facing out like that. So I grab it, right? And I start crocheting the dread. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling the hair from this side, right, to the middle of the dread. I don't know if you can see it well. From this side to the middle of the dread without pulling the needle all the way out. You see? So that's what I'm doing. I'm pulling the hair, right? Pulling the hair, and I'm not pulling the needle all the way out. That's what I'm doing. I'm basically tying the dread all the way. You see? And another thing that I feel like you should know, you have to go slow if you're learning how to use the crochet. Because believe it or not, you don't want that smoke. Like, you don't want this needle, you see how thin it is and sharp, all the way down to your finger. You know, that shit happened to me when I was learning. And I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, that shit was tough. Like, it was painful. I was like, man, that shit, you feel me? I don't even wanna do that. I'm not gonna do that. And a few people are asking me like how do you slide the needle down or up without pulling it out? That's kind of something that you're gonna learn later on. Because if you're practicing, you ain't gotta worry about that. Now, I do gotta tell you that if you're gonna pull it out, you're not gonna pull out like, you feel me? Because you see, you're not gonna pull like crazy. Slowly, taking care of the dread without breaking the hair. You don't want that. You feel me? This is the main purpose of this video. You feel me? How to use the crochet needle or how to tighten up the dread. So now you see how this part is already tight, like tight for real. Now I'm gonna go down. You are in the city of Louisville, Kentucky, and you wanna have some wigs, you wanna get it combined. Me personally, I'm gonna make a video about how to get wigs. I don't want dread no more. I'm gonna make it thick. I'm gonna put like 5 or 6 together. So it's gonna be a nice transformation. Most people are telling me to not do it. I'm gonna do it regardless. I don't wanna have dread no more, I wanna have wigs. So my wife just gonna do it. So I don't know, guys, so I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm impatient because I wanna see the way I'm gonna look. So it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna record the whole process. So it's gonna be lovely. So yeah, you guys see how we work together on my head. She gonna be on this side, I'm gonna be on this side, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna be fun, guys. So look, man, I'm almost done with this. Like I was saying, if you are in the city of Louisville, Kentucky, and you wanna have some wigs, if you wanna have like some dread, whatever you wanna have done, like if you wanna have like a retwist, if you want some style, man, let me know. I got you. Just like go ahead and hit me up on my IG and anywhere. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it, man. Follow me on my IG, Locs. I'm gonna be posting. I'm gonna, you know, I'm a barber. Go ahead and check me out. Check my work. You feel me? That's all natural. I only use enhancement whenever my client required, like they ask me for. But for me, that's not on my portfolio. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I say in Spanish or in English, but like I don't use that. I don't need enhancement, color and shit to make a hair pop. I don't need none of that. You feel me? It's all in the mind. Anyway, guys, so look, man, you see what I'm talking about? You see, I'm already done. So if you really want to have this service by Luis 25 Locs, and you in the city of Louisville, Kentucky, hit me up on my DM. Let's talk about business. You feel me? I'm gonna make it look good regardless.